How to find trending audio on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find trending audio on Instagram. To do so is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Instagram account. And so once you're logged into your Instagram account, in order to find the trending audio, the first step is to explore the Reels feed for audio aligned with your niche. All right, so you can scroll through content creators' reels to find trending audio that resonates with your style and audience. That's one major way. Another way is by engaging Instagram search. And how do you do so? Go to the bottom part of the screen, click on the search icon, click on the search box, and then type trending audio reels. And so under Instagram, you'll see some tabs for this particular search for accounts, audio, tags, places. You just click on audio and then check out the audios that has been displayed to you. Of course, this should be amongst the trending audios, so you can check it out together with the content creators that you've noticed so far, and ensure that it resonates with your style and with your sort of inspiration with your content. So another way is by checking out trending sounds on TikTok. Yes, many popular tracks cross over to Instagram Reels from TikTok, so you can keep an eye on what is trending on TikTok. You can do that, and you can also subscribe to social media newsletters that share insights, trend tips on audios. By doing all of this, you'll be able to find trending audio on Instagram. So this is it. Thank you for watching and ensure you implement what you've learned. Have a good day.